Alright, here we go. I'm on white screen, you can do it. Look at that, that's mad. It is time to see if we can get this Raspberry Pi to work with this display. This is a Raspberry Pi 2B, so it's pretty old now. 2014, man, that is really old now. Jeez. Wonder if it even still works. But I'm pretty sure that this won't fit without the case taken off. And so 2.4 inch, I think. 3.5 inch RPi LCD, 320 by 480 pixels. And it's touchscreen, nice. It's actually sad to take this case off because it's so nice. Power it up, I guess. I think I need a driver or something for it to work. Alright, will this work out of the box? I can't remember if I installed the driver or not, but it's still got an old 8 gig memory card in it. Ooh, we have power. I guess that's a good thing. Lights are on. Doing something. Alright, let's try and connect it. See what's actually running. Have to use another mini screen to see if this mini screen is going to work. Oh, there we go. We have life. Nice. You can have a dual screen Pi. It costs like $30. This doesn't have a stand, which is a bit annoying. The screen is so shiny, you can just see myself. On the old school MacBook, trying a new Raspberry Pi OS. See if that actually works. This is such a lot of effort. I think that's why I didn't do it in the first place. Alright, I've rewritten the flash card, so I'll just try that. But what's the bit this doesn't work at all now? Alright, we got something on the screen at least. Raspberry Pi desktop now. Alright, now we're just missing a mouse and that keyboard, but it is actually booting, which is nice. Oh, we even got a mouse. Nice. Do the keys work. Next. This is like $8 on AliExpress or something. I was just typing that command out there and I thought, actually, does it even have Git? But luckily it does. So, try again. This is the worst freaking keyboard ever. I should just plug in a better keyboard now. It's even got the right time. 17, wow, 5:48. Man, this thing advanced. Man, HDMI is so much easier. Oh, come on, man. Isn't that what we just did? LCD show? No such file directory. What? Didn't we just mod it to X? LCD. Oh, it's 35 show. Is that what I did? Well, it's doing something. Maybe the LED will come to life. Shut down. And then if we unplug the HDMI cable, maybe that will force it to use LCD, or it's just not going to work. Alright, let's have a look. No, I'll keep trying. Right, instead of rebooting now, we're trying 35B to see if this actually works. Come on, puny screen. Man, this is so annoying. Yeah, it's still working on HDMI. Alright, running the 32C again. It should be the 32C, man. I don't know why this is not working. It's very annoying. Come on. Come on, 32C, you can do it. 32C, sure. That is the actual version it's got. So these 3 dots come up again. I think it's stuffed, so... It's still not working, man. Freaking annoying. Alright, just edited the config, just trying sudo reboot. I can't spell sudo for some reason. Come on, man. This is like the 50th try. Had to manually add the config on this one. Probably still won't work. And then I guess I'll just use this big screen. Yep, 3 dots, didn't work. Oh, it's gone black. Is it gonna work? It's black. Change color at least. What are you doing, man? So I just break it. Oh, that's weird, eh? It changed color though. So it's almost working. Working but not working. Do I give up? No, it's not an extended screen, so that's really weird. Can't figure this one out. I think we might have done it. I saw 3 dots on this screen anyway. Now they've gone away. Will it boot or not? I can kind of see a little cursor there, I think. Is it a cursor or not? I'm sure I saw 3 dots just there. See, I get to 3 dots there. Those little 3 dots. But that's as far as it goes. Oh, there's something. That was something there. What did that say? I didn't see that. Probably says out of range or something maybe. Alright, so we're nearly there. I think we just need to edit the boot config and change the res, hopefully. So many reboots. Config.txt. Really? Use it for config.txt. So we would say 483.2060. HDMI drive 2. Alright, reboot. Pull this out. See if it works. Will you work for the 50th time? Probably not. And a cursor. That's where it sat last time. I think, nope. Still not working. Well, I just disabled the GUI, so now it's actually working. I think it was just the wrong res in X, which we don't really need anyway. We'll just try and run an app. Yeah, time to test if this will work. The Ultimate Console app. There we go, nice. That was a really lot of effort just to get that to work. I think it looks cool. I have not seen this one, CBonsai. I suppose it's like CMatrix. Ah, your own bonsai tree. Now we're trying compiling the CXXMatrix, which is supposedly a better version of CMatrix. The final test. Whoa, that's mega matrix. Apparently it goes through the game of life as well. See, that's nice, man. Fully compiled on the Pi. Project complete. Now it's going to put it on my desk. So tiny, that thing, man. Alright, it's been 14 years that this has had its screen protector on, and I'm going to take it off. Are we ready? Oh man, look how scratched that is actually. It's definitely saved it from some scratching. Alright, moment of truth. Will this boot up on the desk? Ooh, I can see myself. That's how shiny it is. Raspberry Pi 2B, will it boot up when moved from the garage? Hopefully. So I haven't actually changed anything except for the Bluetooth plug. Why is the power adapter right on the top? It's going to be kind of ugly. Alright, here we go. White screen. It's not good. Give it a minute. We need like a stand for this or something. Come on, white screen. You can do it. Oh, we've got 3 dots. That's good. Come on, man. It's so shiny in here. I have to close this window. Alright, we got something on the screen. Yes, we're working. What's the IP? 229. I remember that. Alright, now we just want to try this keyboard. Here we go. CXXMatrix. The ultimate in matrix screensavers for terminal. Look at that, that's mad. I love that. Goes well with my other CMatrix. Look how cool that is, man. That's so good. This was sitting in the drawer doing nothing. And now we've got a mad terminal. And now we'll just zoom out and look at the other monitors with the matrix. Amazing zoom out. Get rid of this stand, man. There we go. Nice. That's a nice addition to the setup. Something I had sitting in the drawer doing nothing. Yeah, look at that. How cool does that look? Nice mini screen, man. And we're online too. It took many hours, but we got there in the end.